If there is anyone on this YouTube street that would tell you, or that you should listen to when he tells you that sub for sub is a bad idea, is me. Because I have been there. I have done it all. I have seen the disadvantage. So if you are a new YouTuber, come closer. What I am about to tell you is highly classified. If you're new on the YouTube street and you are doing sub for sub, this is the beginning of the downfall of your YouTube channel. Stop it completely. I know this is going to sound very controversial because everyone is doing it and everyone is talking about it. And so far so good. This seems to be the easiest way to grow on YouTube, right? But trust me, this is actually killing your channel's growth. Take it from me, someone who has been a victim of that good for nothing exercise. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why sub for sub is a bad idea for your channel and what you should do instead. I have been on YouTube for 6 years now, and when I started this channel, I was doing exactly the same thing. And it was so exciting because I wasn't alone. I will go to some creators channel and then, look into the comment section and find that part where, or find that comment where everybody's like, small creators or new creators, let's connect here. And then we'll begin the jamboree of the back and forth as if it's nobody's business. You subscribe to one person's channel and then they in turn subscribe to yours. At first, it sounds like it's a win-win, right? Yeah, you get lots of subscribers within a short period of time and you are happy, you feel fulfilled. But I want you to know that that fulfillment you feel is a mirage. It's a facade. You can only see it, you will not enjoy it. And trust me, it will cost you a lot more pain than the joy it brings. What you don't know is that YouTube regards those subscribers as invalid and fake engagement. They do not contribute anything to your channel. They actually hurt your channel. Have you ever wondered why you get a lot of subscribers from those sub for sub exercise and you wake up the next day and the subscribers disappear? Let me explain. So when you jump into the comment section and start to engage in the sub for sub, remember, someone can easily click on your profile and subscribe to your channel without having to visit your page. Even when they do visit your page, they are only going there to subscribe. They don't actually go to your channel to check if your channel is great, or they don't actually take time to watch your videos. They most likely do not even care about what you do on your channel. They are not willing to be part and parcel of your channel or your creation journey in the long run. And that is where the first problem of your channel begins, because your so-called subscribers don't actually care about your content. They are not going to be interested in any video that you are going to post, so they will not click on any of your videos when you post them and YouTube sends them the notification that, hey, you have uploaded a new video. And guess what? That will affect your click-through rate, and when your click-through rate is affected, it also affects your average view duration. So when the algorithm notices that your so-called subscribers are not watching your content, the algorithm will stop recommending your videos to more people on YouTube's platform, no matter how good your videos might be. You might be thinking this is a joke, but until you get to the bridge and you start to feel the pain and you can no longer cross it, the algorithm will stop recommending your videos because your subscribers are not engaging with it. And engagement is one of the main metrics that the algorithm relies heavily on to push your videos to more people on the YouTube street. If you don't get enough traction, or maybe you don't even get traction completely, this is actually going to throw your channel to the back. You will be there watching others blow on the YouTube simply because your own subscribers are not watching your videos. YouTube assumes that your videos are not good enough, not worthy of watching, so they will not recommend your videos to new viewers. And if YouTube is not recommending your videos, that means you are going to get low views, no new subscribers. And if you are not getting views after putting a lot of time and hard work into creating content, it starts messing with your mind. You will be hurt. You will be sad. You will start feeling discouraged from creating more content. I mean, what is the need of suffering and getting low views anyways? Listen, sub for sub is a bad idea. I don't care whatever name, wherever they are calling it. If you are trying to grow your channel, sub for sub is a no, no, no. It is a no-go area. Do not do sub for sub again if you are already doing it. It lowers your watch time and throws your channel to the background. YouTube's algorithm rewards high watch time and engagement, meaning if your subscribers watch your video for longer, YouTube pushes your video to more people. But then again, if your sub for sub people either swipe away when they see your video notification, or they watch it for a few seconds and then skip the video, this sends a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm, and YouTube stops recommending your videos to new viewers. That is why most times you see a majority of channels with thousands of subscribers, they barely get 10 views or even 50 views per video. It has happened to me. I have struggled with it for a very long time. So listen when I'm telling you about this sub for sub thing. Also, with the new AI system, YouTube algorithm is smarter. Smarter than before. YouTube can detect fake growth, most especially when it happens too fast, or when the users don't come back for more of your videos, or they subscribe without watching any of your videos for a good amount of time. And proper engagement with your channel, you will get a good amount of subscribers, but the next minute YouTube will practically remove all of them from your channel. I feel that is a waste of time and data. So from time to time, YouTube used to do something called channel reviews. That is when YouTube would detect fake and inactive subscribers and remove them. If you ever noticed your sub count randomly dropping whenever you go to check, yes, that is YouTube cleaning up fake engagement on your channel or all channels. So once again, sub for sub will not give you loyal audience. It is going to give you just numbers that will later disappear. You are wasting your time. Instead of building real audience, you are begging people to subscribe to your channel. You need to focus on creating quality content. If you are creating quality content, you don't even need to ask people to subscribe to your channel. Focus on creating valuable content that people actually want to watch. If your content is good, you are not going to beg anyone to subscribe to your channel. Naturally, they will subscribe, and that is how real growth happens. Whenever you upload your videos, they will watch. When your content is good and relatable, people naturally subscribe, share, and engage with it. And this is what leads to real growth and monetization. So if you are an entertainer, start entertaining. If you are a chef, start cooking. If you are a vlogger, start vlogging. And if you are into education, just like my channel, start teaching like I do, and your audience will find you. YouTube is a community. People should subscribe based on what they have seen. Let something trigger them to subscribe to your channel, right? Let your videos be educative and interesting. They will subscribe. Why won't they? They will definitely. You don't have to go out of your way to make people subscribe to your channel. So, play by the rules. Be consistent. Keep uploading more videos and keep improving your art. The more content you have, the higher your chances of getting people to click. This is how to grow the right way. Valuable content increases your chances of getting discovered. And then engage with your audience. I have said this times without number. You need to reply to comments. This shows your audience that you see them, you are part of them, and you respect them. And these things won't be complete without proper SEO. Optimize your videos very well. Use searchable keywords. Make sure that your title, your description, your tags are optimized so that your videos can be found in search. Your titles and description must be in alignment with each other. This is proper optimization, which leads to more recommendation from YouTube. All right, I have said a whole lot of things in this video already. There is an adage that a word is enough for the wise.